My name is Ojas and I am studying in ECPS. Today I have to do that on use to remote control RGB. And on pressing first red LED should glow, and on pressing second button green LED should glow. On pressing third button blue LED should glow. On pressing
First, 4 red, okay. 6 green, 8 blue. Nice. Show it again. Red, green, blue. Good.
And I am studying in ECPS. Today my question was to make object follower. When object comes in front of this, it moves forward. When object comes towards left, it moves towards left. And when object comes towards right, it moves towards left.
Nice.
I am studying in ECPS. Today my question was to make IR sensor with the help of IC. And I made it.
In case of object,
In case of object, the LED will glow, and when there is no object, the LED will not.
okay. So you have built this IR sensor without any inbuilt IC.
Yes.
Okay. Without any inbuilt sensor.
Yes.
You have used which IC?
358.
358. Okay. So it is the circuit for
IR sensor with the help.
IR proximity sensor. Nice.
When I am studying in ECPS today, I have the question of to build a chaser of RGB with the help of joystick.
Okay.
When we move forward, when we move forward the joystick, the chaser starts.
Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green. Okay.
When we left it, and the chaser stops.
Okay. When you have released the joystick, then RGB has stopped.
Yes.
Okay. Again move it forward. Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green. Okay. Now stop. Again it locked. Nice. It means the RGB chaser is built dependent on joystick. Nice.
When I am studying in ECPS today, my task was to make wired robots. And when we move joystick forward, it moves forward. When we move joystick backward, it moves backward. When we move it right, it moves towards right. And when we move it left, it moves towards left. And it also moves 360.
Good.
My name is Ojas. I am studying in ECPS. Today my task was that when there is moisture, when we press button, the 7 segments show 4. And when there is no moisture, we press the button, it doesn't show 4. So I done.
Okay.
When there is
First there is no moisture.
Yes.
Okay. Then 7 segment is not working. Okay. When there is moisture, now after pressing it is showing 9.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Press again. Again in the case of moisture, it is showing 9. Okay. Now remove moisture. Now it is again not working. Nice.